Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create WhatsApp Messenger account. So WhatsApp is a free multi-platform messaging app that lets you make video and voice calls and text messages and more, all with just a Wi-Fi connection. So isn't that amazing, guys? With just a Wi-Fi connection, with over 2 billion of active users, WhatsApp is especially popular among friends and family who live in different countries and want to stay in touch. So guys, if you also want this application to work on your mobile phone, then you need to create its account. So guys, to create its account, first of all, what you need to have is the WhatsApp app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the app. But if it is pre-installed, then now you can easily create its account. So to learn how to create, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to create WhatsApp account, first of all tap on the application. Now tap on the button of agree and continue. You are just agreeing the privacy policy of WhatsApp. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your phone number. So go ahead and tap on your number. Also select the name of your country. Mine is already there to select. You can tap on here and select. So after you are done tapping your number and selecting country, tap on next. So it will ask if you like to edit your number. So edit if you want, or else you can tap on OK. Now tap on next. After that, WhatsApp will send a code to your number and it will verify your number. So mine is done. Now tap on continue. Now tap on allow. Again tap on allow. So you can now read the written form above and decide whether you have to give permission or skip. You can even skip it. For now I would like to skip it. Now it will ask you for typing your name, so go ahead and type on your name. After you're done typing your name, tap on next. That is it. So yes, this is how we can easily create WhatsApp account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.